guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you a face oil which are very popular and trending nowadays, and they are really very beneficial for your skin. And I was searching for a face oil which I can show you people and which is very budget friendly and which is very effective on your skin also. So guys, let's get started with the video, and please watch the video till the end. I will show you how to apply it, what are the benefits of using this oil. So guys, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, the oil I was talking about is Beautyco oil. Beautyco is an Indian brand and I'm quite happy supporting them. This is not a sponsored video. I have bought the product on my own. So guys, they have so many products in Beautyco and it's a very good, they have very good products. So you can just give it a try. Now I will show you what I was talking about. I was talking about the Rose Gold Beautyco oil. It's a very good oil. I'll show you what is written on the packaging, how it looks like, and what are the benefits of using it. So I will show you now. So now I will show you the ingredients, what is used in this oil, and what are the benefits of using this oil. So guys, it's written this is prepared with 100% organic ingredients with rose gold oil that proves to be the most effective lightweight moisturizer for the woman's tender skin. Like sensitive people can also use this oil, and the oil carries gold dust that is quickly absorbed by your skin and helps you fight all the signs of aging, fine lines, hyperpigmentation. This is a perfect mixture of carefully selected essential oils. The Beautyco Rose Gold oil helps you to retain youthful skin and that gives you a natural glow. So, what are the ingredients in this oil? The ingredients in this oil is rosehip seed oil, which is very beneficial for the skin again, argan oil, which is very good, and carrot seed oil, sweet almond oil, gold dust particles, and lemongrass oil. This all oil are natural oil, and this all oil are very beneficial for your skin. Okay guys, now I will show you how this rose gold bottle looks like. It is very, you will feel like you have owned a very expensive brand, and it's a really good bottle. I just like it. I will show you how it looks like. You can see it looks something like that. It's very good. The packaging is also very good. I just love this packaging. You can see it has a dropper inside this, so you can use it like this. Very easy way to use, and you will not waste any of the oil, and only 2 or 3 drops are more than enough. And now I will show you how you can apply this in different ways. So this rose gold oil, why I love this rose gold oil, because it really gives me a very glowy and a radiant effect. And the natural oil present in this oil, like argan oil, sweet almond oil, the essential and natural oil, they are very beneficial for your skin. This oil is not only for cosmetic glow, it gives you a natural glow because of the essential and natural oil present in this oil. So how to apply this oil? There are many different ways of applying this oil. So there are 4 ways of applying this oil. You can use this oil under the foundation, like as a primer. You can use the oil first, you can use the oil, and after that you can apply your foundation. The second way of applying this oil is mix this oil with the foundation, and then you can apply it. If you're using a very thick consistency foundation, then you can mix this 2 drops of oil or 1 drop of oil, and you can just, and that will really easily blend. And the third way of using it, you can use this on the high points of your face, like it will really give you a very sheen and a glowing effect, like over here, like on the ear, like over here. You can use it as a highlighter also. You can just dab it like that, and it will give you a very sheen effect. The fourth way of using it is you can use it bare skin, like if you're going somewhere and you don't want to wear makeup, just apply this oil, apply a little bit blush and a lipstick, and you're ready to go. This will really give you a very shiny effect, and you don't need then any foundation also. I feel like I usually do this. I just apply the oil, blush, lipstick, and done. Okay guys, the way I use this oil is under the foundation. I just apply this oil as a primer, and then I apply my foundation. So that is also a very good way. Okay guys, the way I apply it, that makes my skin very hydrated, glowy, and it really gives me a very youthful glow. This oil really repairs your skin. It has anti-aging properties. This really works good for hyperpigmentation, and if you don't want to apply moisturizer, you can just apply this oil and you are good to go. This is a very light texture oil. I will just show you. You can see. Now I'll blend and show you. This is a very light texture oil. It really absorbs into your skin and will give you a very glowy effect, and it doesn't give you any sticky effect, because I personally also don't like any sticky products. So I also stay away from sticky products, and you can see it has really absorbed into my skin, and it is a value for money. You should give it a try. And it is on off right now, so you can just go and buy it. Okay guys, I am showing you how to use this oil. So I am just showing you. You can see you have to take this oil. It has gold particles in it. You can see it has gold particles in it, and it has a dropper also inside. You can see the consistency of, I'm showing you. You have to just take the dropper, just press it. You have to apply only 3 drops and just blend it in your skin. Just massage it properly, and it will just give you a natural shine on your face, and it will really look good on your face. You can see I've just applied this, no makeup, nothing, and you can just go out like that only, and the gold particles inside this really helps you. See guys, you're sorted. You just have to apply a little blush and a lipstick, and you're ready to go out also. It will really give you a natural shine. Okay guys, 25 ml of bottle, and this 25 ml of bottle retails for $12.50. So I think it is a very good deal for 25 ml of bottle. And face oil in general are very expensive. So I think this is very good oil for 25 ml. You are getting in $12.50. Okay girls, this is a must-have oil. I recommend you, if you want a face oil and you're searching for a face oil which really works for your skin, so this is a must-have oil for all the girls over there, and it's a value for money. So guys, just give it a try. Okay guys, bye. I hope you like my video. Please share my video, subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys, take care, stay healthy, bye.